Hello and welcome to another interesting 3D animation of a flying butterfly. So let's try to make this interesting animation. So here I have a butterfly, which again I have taken from the free picture site Pixabay. And then I have split this into three parts. The wings I have separated and the center part is separated. Again, you can look at my previous videos as to how we can do this easily by cropping and removing the background. Once you have done this, now it's time to animate. So I will just make a copy of this slide and let's bring these wings back to where they were. Now let's again make a copy of these wings. So let's take the left wing and we'll go to shape effects, go to 3D rotation and select perspective contrasting right. Let's move this to the center and I will send it backwards so that the center it goes behind the center part. Now for the other wing, we will again select it, go to shape effects, 3D rotation and select contrasting left. So as you would already be able to guess that this looks like how the butterfly would fly once we give it a 3D effect. Again, let's send this behind the black part, send backward. And now it's time to add the animation. First we'll select the wings which are behind without the 3D effect and we will animate these. Let's go to animations, add animation and these will have to disappear. Now these 3D rotated wings will appear. So I've selected these two wings and then we will select appear. Again these will disappear, the 3D wings will disappear and the wings behind will appear again. So let me do this once more. Disappear, the front wings appear, again they will disappear and then the back wings will reappear once more. So now that we have all the animations in place, they are all happening at the same time. So obviously the flying effect will not come. So we need to make some changes. So first of all, let's change the first animation, which is the back wing, to get delayed, start after a delay of 0.5 seconds. Even the next one will happen after 0.5 seconds. Then the second pair of wings, which is the 3D wings, will appear after the previous animation. So let me just change all of these to after first. Picture 10, picture 5, picture 5, picture 10, picture 10, picture 5. All of these have to happen after the previous. Why I have left one and selected the other is because these two will have to happen together. One set of wings will appear and disappear together. So if you notice, they are set to with previous. Because I had already animated them together, they are already automatically showing with previous instead of after previous. So I had to only select the after previous for these animations. Now let's set the delays. The first one I've already set to 0.5. Then the next disappear, let's set it at again at a delay of 0.5. the third, all the disappears basically. If I just select them together, and then let's put a delay of 0.5. That makes it, that does it. So now we are actually done with this simple animation. Let's play it and see. There you have it. Now I have repeated this only twice. You can do it as many number of times that you want. And like here we did, you can also use this animation with a background and see how beautiful it looks. Butterfly sitting on a flower and then moving ahead. So good luck. If you like this animation, don't forget to like the video and do subscribe for more interesting videos in the future. Let me know what would you like to see next in the comment section. Bye bye.